Hello chefs, welcome back to Close Kitchen. If you're new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this Morningstar Farm chicken strips. These are vegan chicken strips. There are 23 grams of protein with no cholesterol. It comes with a stir fry and Hawaiian chicken pizza recipe on the back of the package. Today I will be making the chicken stir fry recipe. For my ingredients, I have half of a medium onion as well as a piece of red bell pepper, and I'm going to finely chop those two vegetables and set them aside. So guys, this is what the Morningstar chicken strips look like straight out of the bag. They look exactly like pre-cooked chicken strips. The size and the texture are very similar to regular chicken strips. I'm preheating a large skillet on medium heat, and I'm going to saute my finely chopped vegetables with about 1/3 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I'm cooking my vegetables until they are slightly brown while stirring them occasionally. Now that my vegetables are ready, I'm adding 1 pack of the Morningstar chicken strips. And I'm going to mix my ingredients together, then add 1 tablespoon of water. I'm reducing my heat to low while giving it a quick stir, and I'm going to cook it covered for about 1 minute while I stir it occasionally. My chicken strips are finally done. I served them with some rice and beans with a side of string beans. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you ever tried these before. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.